Good morning everyone. Today is the day for ABST. Now ABST stands for Alliance of Bakery Student and Trainees, I believe, and is a baking competition. It's over 3 days. So there's the first day where you have like a job fair situation and you meet everyone, and there's a fancy dress party in the evening and that sort of thing. And then the second day is the competitions in the morning and then results, and then we have like a meal in the evening. And then the last day is Alton Towers. We just go to Alton Towers and have a lot of fun after the stress that is ABST. ABST is obviously, it's in Alton Towers, which is very far from me. It's a 3.5 hour drive. So I'm doing the longest drive I've ever done today. And it's raining! Why? So I thought I would take you along to see what a bakery competition actually is and what everyone gets up to, because I thought that could be interesting. I hate waiting for things. I just want to go now. And also, if you know me by now, I don't know how long you've been staying and watching my videos, but I get really bad homesickness. So I like to be, sounds really weird, but like I really like to be in control of what's happening, because otherwise I get even more panicky. So I'm just trying to stay calm, because last night I just basically cried. So lame. But everyone has different fears, don't they? Down, 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 down. Right guys, we're in. We are here after the 3.5 hour journey and so much rain I can't even comprehend. So we are here.
So Mum just went to ask and the woman was like,
people are dead. They're really not vibing it. This is Amy, she's back, and Beth and Emily and Akira. Oh yeah, I haven't introed really. And then we've got all of our competition work stocked up. Oh, we're here. Oh, we got a free t-shirt. There it is. ABST, and it is 60s to 80s theme. Woohoo! Oh. Are you filming? Hello? You can probably see my forehead vein here, but I'm going to run with it because Julia Roberts and Angelina Jolie have their forehead veins popping. So I'm going to take it as a form of flattery. We are back in the room now because we've just been at the, what do you call it, careers fair?
Seminars and conferences.
I thought I crushed some. What's Beth got there then? So I forgot to mention earlier, Mary Berry is coming tomorrow. Mary Berry! I think I actually might cry because you know when you just see how precious she is in real life? I haven't met her before, guys, so it will be my second encounter. I would say we are best friends, but it's fine. I might cry. Oh, come on! Vogue, hook her up. Her biscuits.
Here's mine. This is mine.
Where's mine? There she is. Look at her. Really eye-catching. And what's your favourite? This one. I like it. This one. Looks like a meme.
Birmingham.
My heart's beating.
Sheffield. National Bakery School.
I really want to be involved in this because it just opens.
An apron!
An apron!
Okay.
I got a whole box.
We're just doing a haul from the goodie bags. As you saw, we just did a little meeting.
I got a whole box of bagels.
Oh, nice! Yeah.
Oh yes,
And
I really
then
wanted
hot.
one of these. I wanted one of these
Oh,
as well.
that's sexy! Guys, so we just got to our room and then, oh, you missed Akira's stuff. So basically, when we got there to check in today, there were problems with our booking. So we went to the reception desk and they were like, oh yeah, we've had some problems, like for mine and Akira's, and everyone else is like 25 rooms away from us. Somehow lucked out and been like upgraded. I don't understand. I don't know what. So it's the biggest room. I don't know if you saw my room tour last year from ABST, but look how massive this room is. It is gigantic. I could do a full-on cartwheel here. There's a sofa, little kiddie packs with crayons.
They knew it was us.
They knew, and there's stickers. There's stickers, Akira.
Oh my days.
And then we've got biscuits and tea. Definitely didn't have a kettle last year, did we? We got this. I don't think we got this last year. Akira said we did, but I don't know if she just snuck it before I could see it. Joking. Love you. And the only issue is this bed is about 5 foot, and I was going to take the single bed this year, but I don't think I would sleep. So Akira's been the diligent young lady and said I could have. Honestly, Akira's so nice. I don't deserve a nice friend like that. So we're just going to unpack now. Got my hoodie, National Bakery School hoodie, merch. This is my merch. Joking. Grack on the back. I just thought I'd do a quick haul of what we also got in our Renshaw goodie bag. Powder pink candy glitter, delicious. Fondant. We've had a great time getting some freebies. And this bag, how lush is this bag? Really into it actually. And so many bagels. So I want to try this. I'm going to try this now actually. It's a 60s to 90s themed fancy dress. No one really knows what it is. And who doesn't pick 1 year? Let's go. Oh, let's do 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s. So I'm going for like disco vibes. So I'm trying to crimp my hair, but I literally look, Akira said I look like Monica in Friends when she gets the braids. Ow, because I'm trying to get it like, I'm going to brush it out and get it all frizzy. Oh yeah, bye boo. Hi guys.
Around your head.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. So we're all here in our get up. This is the attire, but I don't know where any of this is from. So that's the outfit. Yay!
Booty.
Booty.
As the price.
Now I have to double. Right, we're gonna go get some curly fries now, and I'm buzzing. We're here, and we've tactical seating right by the buffet. That is what you want to do. It's the last shit. Although I feel like there's not gonna be curly fries, and I'm kind of might cry, honestly. But it's fine, we'll go over it. Oh no, that's what I mean. Oh, they're not curly fries. They were waffle fries. I keep saying curly fries. So fingers crossed. So we've had our first meal, and now Emily and I are sharing these. The best thing ever, honestly. Get yourself some lettuce fries. So we're going to bungee run now.
2, 1, go!
Honestly, kind of cute. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. We had a little bit too much fun on the dance floor, you know, and we got an early start. It's fine, you push through these things. Hey guys, we're back, and I got the spot cream on because all my spots were decided to come out, and I don't know why. So we just had a cracking time downstairs, did some dancing and singing. Kira, unfortunately, was feeling unwell, but she's getting her pep back in her step. So we're gonna have an early night tonight, ready for 6 AM start for the competitions. Hi guys, so it is the next morning. I woke up at 5:30 and didn't get to sleep till about, I don't know, because the hooligans were running around on the corridor. So at 6:30 we're taking ourselves to the competition centre where we're gonna like prep our competition stuff, because most of it's there, but you have to like assemble and whatnot. So we're gonna go and do that. Our time, each uni has a different time of when they can like present. So ours is 6:45.
But so it is well before 6:45.
Yeah, because we want to make sure that we are there on time.
Early bird gets the
Because we are enthusiastic little beans. And here's the water park, which hopefully, you know, we get to have fun in later. I don't know, I tried to scream but no noise came out. Okay, let's go. Their competition's down and it is devastation all around. And I did spill this. Wouldn't be a competition without Grace spilling something.
Not going to win anything.
We went down and looked at the stuff and frick. It's real good. And mine's not so much. I would say there are live competitions as well for like piping, sugar flowers, dead dough competitions, but obviously I'm more interested in product development and innovation, so I entered the 2 innovation competitions. Didn't need to do any of the live ones, but some people from uni did. It's breakfast time, we're in a little cove. Got myself some agua because so much salty food. The lattice fries are hitting me. Some bacon and all the good things in the world. Hey guys, as you can see from the frizziness of my hair, we've been to the water park and now we're having lunchy poos. Got a baked potato. Everyone else, Amy's chuffed with her chips. So we're just waiting for the results now, and then we're going to have very Q&A. Oh.
Grace Booth in a natural habitat, modelling it up. Don't even know if you can hear me.
Oh no! No! That's me. That's me. This is the camera. The queen. She did it. with the two. She's so happy.
We'd like to find out what's the favourite role that you had and why was it your favourite?
Well, I taught like Annabelle, my daughter, and
We're cleaning up all our stuff now. Hi punks. So we just got back from two exciting things. Number one, Meza Bez. Secondly, I came second in one of my competitions. Granted, didn't place in the other two, but got second in one of them, so I'm chuffed. And this was the competition that actually came third in last year. Me again. We've just been to mini golf and we're getting ready for tonight now, and we are going for like the dinner celebration situation. Freaking cute. This is our table.
To the first day of the rest of your lives. Can I please?
Hi guys, we're still here at the dinner and we just got raffle tickets which are going to be the winning ones, just FYI, because Amy and I last year we won things on the Friday but not the Saturday, so this year is our year.
Ready for the raffle.
We're ready for the raffle. And they've got, what have you got there? Take it away.
Eating best cheesecake.
This is my little puppy right here. Vegan cheesecake.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. So, review. She's very sweet.
You've got a lot of female fans. Yeah, Peter from. Second place is Grace Booth from the National Bakery School. And first place is Lucy Eccles from Blackpool.
This would have gotten copyrighted, but we basically danced for the rest of the night, had a good little boogie. I won the raffle, woohoo, and Amy won too.
Hi peeps, so I've had to come back early. Well, not early, it's 12 o'clock, which is very late for me. But basically, tomorrow obviously we leave, and we've just had the like award ceremony and raffle tickets, which I did win a prize, very exciting. But I'm driving everyone home tomorrow, and I think I would rather have a good sleep and be safe on the road, because we're going to Alton Towers theme park tomorrow. 3 people in my car, and I don't want to have any problems now. I want to be alert, and I'm already tired because it's been a hectic weekend. And I think everyone's a bit like, Grace, you're such a party poop, and I'm like, you'll be very grateful when you get home safely. So I think it was the best one yet. And we had our awards, and Beth, the legend, I always talk about Beth in these vlogs, but she's like an incredible student, and she got the new, like, I don't know, like exceptional student award, which she totally deserves, so shout out to Beth. She's the junior chocolate master, gonna be, oh, this spot really hurts, man. Oh, she's a burner. It's funny because I'm such a morning person, and I wish everyone else was. If parties were in the morning, I would be all for them, because I thrive in the morning. And then everyone thinks I'm boring because in the evening I'm not the best person. So everyone's like, oh Grace, you're leaving already. Yeah, I am actually, because I'm not an evening person. It's not my time to shine, do you know what I'm saying?
Good morning, campers! So we are packing up, but we're packing up. Oh golly, why do I always pack so much? We've come to the Wicker Man. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Been on 2 rides, so now we're about to go on Galactica. We've had a great time. The queues here are so short compared to like Thorpe Park and Chessington. Highly recommend. So that was ABST. I had a great time. I really enjoyed it. That was my last one I'll ever go to. Basically, it's for colleges and uni students. So I'm no longer a uni student. So that was a lot of fun. I had a good time. We went to Alton Towers, and then there was so much traffic on the way home. A 3-hour journey took us 5.5 hours. So my legs were like so done, and I didn't vlog anything because I was just so like done with driving anyway. I hope you've enjoyed. I really did have a good time, and I'm glad I can make these vlogs because I've got the memories for life now, and all my friends as well, because I know they'll probably want to watch this back. But I hope you enjoyed. Have a rad week / weekend / live / whenever you're watching this. Love you loads.